I copied live video schools video title, and you know what? I went viral. For sure, I went viral. And in just 2 days, that video was my most popular video ever. Now, today is not my usual sit down video. It's a vlog kind of video, and I'm doing this because I felt it's necessary to show you what really happened behind the scenes. Now, I'm gonna break for you the real numbers and show you how things really happen. I'm talking about my views, the click-through rate, and watch time. Now, let's dive straight into it. And now, before we dive in, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. And if you are a new subscriber, feel welcome to this family. And to the returning subscribers, thank you for continuing to watch my videos. And you know what we do in this channel. We give YouTube growth tips that will help you put your YouTube channel into a growth path. Now, let's dive straight into it. Now, let's go to the YouTube studio to break down the numbers of how this video performed. Let's see. Now, this is the video that I copied from Live Video School. You see how the video is performing so far. In a period of 3 days and 4 hours, the video has 343 views with an impression click-through rate of 4.4% and an average view duration of 1.34. These numbers look so good because they are the best so far. This is the most popular video ever in this channel, and it's just 3 days. Now, let's see the real numbers. You see the graph shows that the views are 283 more than the usual, which is so high. And as you can see how viewers found this video, the traffic source mostly came from YouTube recommendations with 279 views, which means YouTube is really pushing out this video. Now, this video has so far gained me 9.0 watch time hours, which is 7.0 more than the usual, which is so impressive in a matter of just 3 days. Now, this video has also given me 1 subscriber, which is not bad anyway. And the impressions are so impressive. 6.3K for this video. And if you see, the browse features are 80.8%, channel pages 7.3, other YouTube features 4.1, suggested videos 3.8, others 4.1. This is how the viewers found this video, which means YouTube recommends this video more. Now, the impressions click-through rate is 4.4%, which you can see is on a growth path. This means that more viewers who get the impressions click on the video. You can see, so impressive. So what does this tell you? It tells you that titles really matter in a YouTube video. So you have to work on your title if you want your YouTube channel to be on a growth path. Now, I have left the link of this video in the comment section. You can check it out and compare and you can learn something from it. So copying live video schools title really paid off, and for sure titles really matter. Now if you feel this breakdown was really helpful to you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comment section if you've ever copied a title or any other strategy that worked for you. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on so that you never miss out any other time that I drop a video, because YouTube will automatically give you a notification. Now, see you in my next video.